7 ways to extend battery life. And it's pretty easy unless you're lazy. Then that's a personal issue. Follow us on each method and you can get an extra year of life on your battery. First thing, clean your battery. Simple, right? Well, there's a reason for it. Usually batteries throughout its life cycle can form a bridge between terminals due to water, acid, or other conductors. By cleaning the battery with an alkaline solution, you can remove that bridge and neutralize the acid. A basic alkaline solution you can use is baking soda, salt, and water. If anybody has a better homemade solution, comment below. Next, clean your battery terminals. Seems like we're doing a detailing job, but we have to do it. There's a lot of things we cannot see, or it's hard to see with what's going on with the battery. But once we start cleaning, it tells us a different story. Battery terminals usually have corrosion or corrosive buildup, so we have to remove that because this corrosion will destroy our battery and metals inside of our engine bay. We can use that same alkaline solution to clean the battery terminals to neutralize that corrosion buildup. Moving on with the wire brush is also great. We can remove corrosion using an abrasive material so it doesn't continuously eat the affected metal up. Method number 3, clean your terminal clamps and wires. Many of the times, these clamps and wires are really corroded, which can affect the way your battery charges. This is a more serious issue because down the road, it can even affect your alternator. If you want the same tools we use in the video and battery parts, then go to erobattery.com. We have a list of Amazon links since Amazon is easy to work with, and we want to provide y'all the best tools and products with the best price. Buying from these links helps support us so we can make more content for y'all. Method number 4. Usually on the job, we find battery trays filled with leaves and sticks. We gotta take this stuff out because these materials love to absorb acid and chew up metals found around the battery tray. This is more of a maintenance thing, so you can at least take care of your car. Number 5. Battery additives. You might ask, what is that? It's a chemical solution that will prolong the life of the battery by cleaning its cells. So we remove the 2 tops of the battery to expose each cell cavity and add just a little bit to each cell. Step 6. Method 6. So battery testing. If you guys want to spend a few dollars for a battery tester, it really helps out. Learning how to maintain your battery can save you some money because if you got it like that, then spending a few $100 doesn't really hurt. But just to let y'all know, the average battery costs like $200. So here's a quick battery guide to test your battery. Click the battery icon. Go to battery test. In vehicle, CCA for cranking amps. Input the cranking amps from your battery. The battery should be at 12.5 volts. Before doing the last step, do me a favor, hit that like button and subscribe. We got lots of content coming soon to help y'all out. So we reached the final stage, alternator testing. An alternator can do a number on your battery if it's overcharging or undercharging. So testing your alternator can show you what's wrong with your charging system and even if you need to replace it. Here's another free quick guide to test your alternator. Click the battery icon, go to charging test, start the engine, and the alternator should be around 14 volts. If you guys have more battery related questions, let us know in the comments and we'll make some videos to answer them. Thanks for the support.